Okay, let's have our very first example. Now we are going to construct the CPM network, the network for this one. And we are asked to compute the earliest expected time and the latest allowable time kada activity. And then, from the calculation no, of this TE and TL, ato dayong makuha si critical path. This is the activity of the sequence, no? Nate A, B, C, D, F, taman kang L. And then, na ay duration, no? There are times na in days dire. Tapos, ang nakatsada po ani is, ang atong activity is, dili siya katong typical nga ABC, no? And then, the name is house preparation, etc. Ang nakatsada ni is, nodes siya. Starting point, ending point, starting point, ending point. Okay, so let's start constructing the network for this example. So magsugod ta kang node 1. Karon if we look at the table, duha ka buok nakakonekta ni node 1. Naa si A, naapod si B. We have A and also B. Ending node ni A is 2. Sa ato pa 2 ni siya diri. Ending node ni B is 3. Mo ni ang naka sada if ang given is nodes, no, dili ka mga predecessor kay marag mas dali ni siya buhaton. Next is kinsa man ang naay starting point kang 2. Ang naay starting point nito is si C and si C lang. So si C, pwede na to siya iyan eh. And then ang ending node ni C is si 4. Then, kinsa pa yung nag-ending node kang 4, we have si D, no? 3 and 4, that is D. Activity D. Next, 3 and 5, si E. Okay, so ibutan na to nga diri si 5. We have E. So, kinsa man ang nag-starting kang 4 og 5. Kang 4, we have F. Kang 5, we have G and C, H. So, sugod sa kang 4, no, we have F. And then kang 5, we have G og C, H. Sige. G and H. So, ang ending node ni F di ay, no, the ending node ni F is, asa to? 9. Ending node ni G, asa si G, yung ending node is si 6. So, we have our 6 here. And ending node ni H is 7. Okay, next, I. Starting ni I is 6. And then, yeah, 6. Uy, isa lang. Ato lang ikuan gamay no kay di pa mata sure. Ang ending atong tanaw ng ending diri is si 10. Mo man ang highest nga event diri si 10. So si 6 and then if i-connect nato siya kang 8, that is our I. Si J is 7 and 8. Okay, this is J. K is 8 and 10. So ending event nato is si 10, di ba? And then si J, no, si K is 8 and 10. So this is K. And then CL is 9 and 10. This is the, what is this? This is the L. Okay, we have already our network. Next is the calculation of the earliest expected time and the latest allowable time. So, mo siya no, ang itsura. Pero katong lang, for this one, mo ni si G and then mo ni si H. Okay, no, para dili mo libog usa maning 4, 1. This is the duration. So, mo ni si A, this is the B, 1 day, and then C, duration is 1 day, D, duration niya is 1 day, E, duration niya is 6 days. Mo na siyang na number diya. And then si F, duration niya is 5 days. And then si G, G's duration is 4 days. H, duration niya is 8 days. I, duration niya is kani, no? 1 day. And then si J, duration niya is 2 days. Si K, duration niya is 5 days. K, and then si L, duration is 7 days. Mala na siya. And then this is the network. So, kung yung matigdan, no, si G of H na ko is, si G ang ibabaw, si H ang sa ilawom. And for this one is si H ang ibabaw, and G ang ilawom. It doesn't matter. As long nga, isakto imong pagka-construct. Ano lang yun na siyang point. Okay, let's calculate the TE. Unsa man ning TE, sir? This is the earliest expected time. So, si TE1, start yun ta at 0. Si TE2, actually, libog ni siya basta ingani no, daghan kay siya kuan. So, at mas dali ni siya if dili na to tan-awon. Okay? Let me draw the kuan. Let me draw boxes here. Kani, okay. Kada event na ay box. Ano na lang. Kada event, na ni sila. Dili nimo ibutang ang TE o TL. Okay, so mo ni siya no. As you can see, we have the boxes. And then we have also kaning kuan. Butangan na lang sa nakog number no kaning. Sorry, activities ABCD. And then kaning give parenthesis lang nako ang duration or number of days. So sa may rule ani. Ang first box, this is the TE, the earliest expected time. And then ang second box, that is the TL or the latest allowable time. Now karon, pagkuha sa earliest time, T or the TE, ato na siyang gamitan ng forward pass technique. So anong forward pass technique? Bata magsugod ta ni start up to the end. Pagkuha ni TL, gikan ta sa end. Munang backward pass technique siya kay paatras ang method po niya no from end up to the starting point. Okay. So saan man na siya? Sige sugod na ta. Ang TE magsugod yun na siya kang 0. Next. Dili ta kang 2. Pila man ang TE ni kuan ni ni 2. Ang TE ni 2 is dire TE ni kaning first dire TE1 plus the duration. So that is 0 plus duration activity A 4. So we have equal to 4. And tas uno na lang to ibabaw para straight. And then kanidri, this is TE4. Pila man si TE4? No. Dili pa dito pwede mo diretso kang 4. Ato sa manon si 3 para laray na lang. Okay, si TE3, saan man na siya? That is the TE1, so 0 plus 1. Ama nigi ka ng 1, kana dira, no? From B. So 0 plus 1, that is 1. And then dirita kang 4. Si 4, kung imong tanawang duha ni siya, kang 4. Naatay, pwede siya nga TE2 plus kaning duration ni C or katong T nga gamay, no? Mo na siya si kuan TC. Ato na lang tarong pala same tawag configuration TC. Or pwede po siya kaning gikan kang 3. Kay di ba kang 4 duang ni connect na activity C ug activity D. So kang TE3 we have 1. So that is TE3 plus TD or the time duration ni D. So ato na i-solve. Ang TE ni 2 is 4. 4 nga nung 4 man. Mo ni siya. That is TE2. 4 plus TC. Ang TC is 1 day. So 4 plus 1, that is 5. And then dili, TE3 is 1 plus kaning TD9 is 1. So we have 2 days. So sir, duha man na sir, we have the 5 and the 2. Kinsa man na to ang gamiton ani? So simple na siya. Basta gani TE, earliest expected time, atong gamiton is the maximum of the 2 or of the 3 kasi kay magtulo man na siya no sa merge nga event 3 or 4 ana, so maximum ato nila may butang, so yung maximum is 5 man, so we wrote 5 ana na siya. And then kang TE5, that no, TE5 is just the TE3, so that is 1 plus 6 days, so we have 7 ana. And then kang 7 TE7, we forgot no the box for this one. Pila man ka TE7? That is 7 days plus 8 days. Ama nagikan ni 7 delay, and then 8 days is delay. So 8 plus 7, that is 15 days. And then si 6, nalabyan na to. Si 6 pod, TE6 is, that is 7 plus 4, we have 11. And then si 8 duha. Natay 15 plus 2, which is 17. And we have 11 plus 1, which is 12. So maximum man. So 17. And then si 10, activity kaning sa node 10 ato duha man. So ato sa i-finish kang 9. So si TE9, let me erase this one, not to allow this space. So 9, si 9 pod, for a while, okay. Si 9 is, kanila, 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, that is 10. So si node 10, we have 10 plus 7, which is 17, and we have 17 plus 5, which is 22. So 17 and 22, kinsa pilion? Ang pilion is the maximum. So malatang. This is the TE for this is the kung ano katong earliest expected time kada event. Now next na to i-calculate is si TL. Si TL po ta. The latest allowable time. So si latest allowable time, magsugod ta sa kinatumyan. So ang TL ni 10 is, kung pila iyang kuan, TE, mo po diya ang TL. So 22 po na siya. So si TL paatras. So si 9, pila man ang TL ni 9. So si TL po is, minus po na siya. So for this example, we have T2 minus 7 days. 7 days, this is this one. And then si T22, that is the TL ni node 10. No? This is the TL10. Ana. So 22 minus 7, that is 15. And then, kanidin kang TL4, that is 15 minus number of days diri. So this is 10. Okay, since, yeah. And then so sa TL2 dayon, that is just TL4 minus number of days niya. So 10 minus 1, that is 9. Now how about si starting? Si starting, this is the initial of the critical path man gyud no. Pero later ako ipakita sa inyo ha. Unsa na siya dapat diya. Si starting duha man iya ha. Gikan kang 2 o gikan kang 3. So unya na siya. Okay, diri na punta kang 8. Kang 8 pod, we have the 22 minus 5. So we have 17. Kang 6, we have 17 minus 1. So we have 16. Kang event 7, we have 17 minus 2. So we have 15. And then kang 5, si 5 duha iyahang ko ano, we have 15 minus 8. Ano man gikan sir 15 minus 8 sir? So this is, oh no, not that one, di kani. 15 minus 8. Oh no, di siya makita. 15 minus 8. And then napoy 16 minus 4. So pila man na sila? 15 minus 8, that is 7. And 16 minus 4 is 12. So natay ko natay 7 and natay 12. Kinsa man ang i-follow nato sir? Kung sa TE imong i-observe is the maximum for the TE, kang TL pod imong i-observe is the minimum. Yang minimum man kay 7, so we put 7 here. And then kang TE3, we have duha gyapon kang 3, we have 10 minus 1, which is 9, and 7 minus 6, which is 1. Ya kay minimum na itong pilion, 1. Kang node 1 or event 1, duha gyapon we have 9 minus 0, 9 minus 4 which is 5, and 1 minus 1 which is 0. Pero ang minimum man imong kuhaon, so 0. And then we have already our, mana sila? We have our TE and TL. Now, so next is we can determine na din ang critical path. Asa man ang critical path, sir? Katong when TE is equal to TL. Mo dito siya nga, we have the TL minus TE is equal to 0. So, asa man ang equal ang TE ug TL? Si 1 kay 0, 0. Si 3, 1, 1. Si 5, 7, 7. Si 7, 15, 15. And then si 8, which is 17, 17. And si 10, which is 22, 22. So, sa ato pa, the critical path for this project is event 1, event 3, event 5, event 7, event 8, and event 10. This is the critical path and then these are the critical activities. Now karon, what is the total project duration? So ang project duration na dayon is the summation of the number of days under the critical activities. So add na nimo tanan, we have the 0 plus 1 plus 7 plus 15 and then plus 17 plus 20. Sorry, no need to add then, okay. The 22, that is already the added overall naman na siya din. So 22 is our project duration. And then the critical path is the 135, event 135, 7, 8, 10. Sa ato pa, kaning mga events, activities under this one, no? Si activity B, E, H, and J, and as well si K, dapat dili mo sila i-delay og start. So mapula siya. Now how about uban sa maning we have the 10 and 15. So pasabot sa dani, pwede sila, there is a float, no? Pasabot, pwede sila ma-delay. Okay, so moro to siya. Yeah. So this is the summary of their floats. So kaning earliest time, no, this is the start and finish. And then the latest time, we have the start and finish as well. So maning start and finish earliest time and then the latest time. So latest nga kuan, for the event 1 and 2 or sa to pa activity A, ang iyang earliest start, so we have the 0 to 4, and then iyang finish then is from 5 to 9. So asa gikan 5, sir? Dili sa PCAS to 9. So this is just the summary of the table, no? And then ang kanidang kuan start minus the start sa earliest time or the finish ni latest time minus the finish ni earliest time, that will be the total float per activities. Mora na siya.